Hey, Vita here, and this is Hippie Girl Hub, and I just completed this crazy pile of projects. Now, it was all about fixing clothes that no longer functionally either broken or maybe there's something not quite right with it. And we did that through changing it and upcycling it and restyling it, just kind of like how I usually do. So let me rewind a little bit and start from the beginning and share what needs to be done with these clothes and what we're gonna do and what we actually did. Okay, this t-shirt, when I wear it, I'm just somehow annoyed with the sleeves, with the collar. It's just kind of bothering me. So I'm gonna remove these edges and I'm gonna do a simple overlock on the edges. And here too, I'm gonna leave the center buttons, but I'm going to remove the collar. And I will make it a little bit shorter, so it's gonna be like just a very simple t-shirt. Because it's not something for reselling. It's also not something, I mean, it's a good fabric, but it's not, yeah, it's just not feeling comfortable for me. It's just too much stuff. It's too tight here. This is just, I don't know. I just don't like it. All right, this skirt has been upcycled already, like, I stopped counting because many times. I love the top part. The denim is really nice. The bottom part, okay, I get it. It's not the most like original kind of idea. I do like the shape, but I'm gonna remove these bandanas now and I'm gonna sew another fabric on it. I know it's like the 1 millionth of upcycle, but it's worth trying because this dress I think is so cute. I love this dress, but it was on the rack for a long time and nobody wanted to buy it, and I was really wondering what the hell is going on. So last time I was there, I found the zipper like completely off its rails. So I started testing it. It works normal, so I never thought there was anything wrong with the zipper, but I think maybe when you put it on and try to zip it up, the zipper maybe is not the most reliable. That's the most logical explanation. Or someone was really not careful and just like messed the zipper up. Who knows? But I'm thinking to re-sew this dress because it needs some fixing here anyway. And I don't want to put it back on the rack with a zipper that might do that again. And I wouldn't want to wear it myself if the zipper is gonna pop on me, you know? So I have some crazy ideas here. I'm gonna turn this dress into a wrap top. And I'm going to use the bottom of this to attach onto this denim. And I think it will look really cute, but I'll make the ruffles like short, not like long. So it's like a really kind of disco skirt kind of thing. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. This is gonna be a little bit more of a funky project. All right, so this one, I took it to the rack. Oh my God, I'm mumbling today. I took it to the shop, but I wasn't like too excited about it. So I decided to take it home and add some other stuff on it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more denim. Somebody in the comments also mentioned to round this up to make it kind of like more like that, which was a very good idea too. That can be done, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. I'm gonna add ruffles on this side, on the end, and then I'm gonna do another line of ruffles like that. So they kind of stock together. We'll see how it comes out. This dress, it was gifted to me by a friend, but already I have it for a while and I haven't wore it, and I don't know if I will wear it. And also I noticed there's a little bit of damage here happening. So we're gonna cut out a line here and we're gonna add some denim in the side in a split, and I think I'm gonna cut a little like a wave here to make it like kind of like a funky shape. And I'm gonna add extra ruffles on the bottoms, denim ruffles, and we're gonna do some sort of like denim decoration belt or something here. And yeah, we're gonna totally funk this thing up. And all of this, I should get it done like fast, in like no more than 4 hours. So wish me luck. I don't know if I can get it done, but I'm gonna try. So let's get cracking. let's talk about this dress. So the stain is gone and it has like this cute little split here. And I love the ruffles on the side, and I added this little side detail. It's attached to the back and it is attached with a button. I'm gonna turn this around. And this is how it looks in the back. So this is a side pocket. And I really like this result. Very simple, but I think very effective. So the stain is done. The dress is no longer just typical boring dress. And I really, really like the upcycled like look of it. Alrighty, moving on. Here is the next item. Now, the idea looks very cute and adorable. What went right, what went wrong? Now, the skirt turned out really great. It looks a lot younger, like funner. The length is more summery, perfect with the bikini, more like disco-y. Definitely like. And I actually sewed it the wrong side the first try, and then I had to cut the whole thing off and then redo it. So that made it even extra little bit shorter, but I think it doesn't matter because this length is very fun. Now about the top, the idea of the top is really good, is very nice, but what went wrong? So now this fabric is very like elasticy and thick, and for some reason my sewing machine, or it's a needle, or it's a thread I'm using, or it's my sewing skills, I can't exactly explain why, but I had a bad experience with this type of fabric in the past anyway. This one kind of is okay, but not like perfect, but it's okay, it's good enough. But this one, because I had to double fold this fabric, it kept like tangling the thread and wasn't like piercing it through properly, and it looks like a total ugly mess. So from far, the idea looks very cute and pretty, but I would not put the top on the rack because it's kind of like embarrassing stitching. Maybe I will wear it myself just as a, you know, if I need to throw something over. Or maybe this will be a waste, I don't know, but I wouldn't want to put this on the rack because it's like a little bit embarrassing. But it's a shame because the idea and the whole look, the shape of it, everything worked out good, just not the stitching. Now I'm thinking that what I should have done, instead of using the same fabric to finish the edges, I could have used a red bias tape that I have. I don't know if I would have had enough of it to go around, like to make strings to tie up. That's another problem. It would have been better here. Or maybe I should have used completely different fabric to do the edges, you know? But we live and learn, and this is what it's about. You know, we practice and we'll have fails and we'll have some successes. But hey, you know what? The skirt is adorable. The look altogether is really cute. Just, you know, just those damn stitches. But hey, moving on. Next is this denim waistcoat. It was an old denim jacket that I removed the sleeves off, and then I did a little upcycle and I wasn't quite pleased with it. So I did a little extra touch up, as I mentioned before. So now I feel like it's a little bit more complete because the front was very empty and the back was like busy, and it just felt a little bit unfinished. And this is now like rounded up. So whoever commented saying you should try to round the jacket up, I thought it will be cool as it was, but there was something a little bit not quite right. I need to still burn this. But yeah, I think it is a lot more fun now. So that's that. And here we are getting closer towards the end of the video. I'm gonna end this by sharing how this dress looks on. That's the only item I have put on because I ran out of time. I have completed all the sewing within 4 hours. It was quite a rush, but I got it done. And as usual, you know, just be creative. You can repair your clothes in many creative ways. You can upcycle it, restyle it. It does not have to be a waste, or it can just serve as a great practice opportunity for your sewing. And the skirt and the dress, you know, some things work out, some things don't. But hey, what can you do? Lessons learned. The idea of it was fabulous, but like I said, the stitching was not fabulous at all. But never mind. So I'm going to love you and leave you. And I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you next Monday, 10 a.m.